This morning's Quick Bite finds us in the heart of historic Wickford Village with this delicious breaking food news from my friends Greg and Christine Stevens of the Stevens Family Restaurant Group. Welcome to Wickford on the Water. 85 Brown Street in the Village is where you'll find Wickford on the Water, formerly the Beach Rose Cafe. In addition to the very popular Pat's Italian in Johnston, comfortable Frankie's Italian Bistro in North Kingstown, and hip Uptown Burger Bar in South Kingstown, Wickford on the Water is the newest addition to the family. Owner Greg Stevens.
It's just a beautiful, beautiful location. And when the Beach Rose Cafe became available to us, I had to jump on it. To have a restaurant down here on the water with a beautiful deck, it was a dream come true.
In addition to breakfast and lunch daily, Wickford on the Water offers a full liquor license, which is the perfect lead-in to dinners on the deck.
Dinners on the deck will be done Wednesday through Saturday night, probably 5 to 10 o'clock, 5 to 9, really weather dependent or people dependent. And what we'd like to do is make it a little bit more formal for dinner. Local produce, local seafood, just a small menu. I don't want to get too crazy with it. 5 or 6 entrees, 2 or 3 apps, a couple of homemade desserts. Pretty excited about that. I'll be the chef for those evenings.
In the kitchen here, talented executive chef Denise Coda keeps the farm-to-table, dock-to-table menu fresh, creative, and delicious. There's on-street parking in a free municipal lot, too. And if you want to visit by boat, you can tie up at the town dock. For complete info, visit wickfordonthewater.com.
Well, I think if they stop on down, they're going to see that we do have the best view in Rhode Island. I like to say the best view in Wickford Village, but more and more people are telling me it's the best view in all of Rhode Island. So, yeah, come down and take a look and see what we see.
For Eyewitness News this morning, I'm TV maitre d' Joe Zito with this week's Quick Bite.